Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. I am back with another Clash Royale video, and in this video I'll be breaking down the bomber and I will be telling you why I think it is a big deal and this buff is going to be a big one for the bomber. So you can see the stats of the bomber. Its elixir cost, area damage along with the hit points has been changed. Let's read the actual stats that has been changed for the bomber. So you can see here the elixir cost has been reduced to 2 from 3, hit points have been reduced by 31% and damage has been reduced by 32%. So what they actually want is to give more freedom to the bait decks and to give low elixir cost support. So you can see with this change of hit points, you can actually see that you can now take out a bomber with the arrows, and although its damage has been reduced a lot, but you can see in this clip it is still pretty much viable. It still one shots the goblins, and you can see if it is not defended properly it will deal a lot of damage and it will eventually take a tower down. Now you would ask me, what is the scope of this card in the bait deck? So the main thing is that you now cannot defend the bomber with the fireball, because that will be a 4 elixir trade for 2, which is very bad. If you counter it with arrows, that will be 3 for 2, and that is also not good. So now you must be thinking about the log. So let me tell you that the log cannot take this bomber in one shot, and so the bomber is pretty much a card which cannot be countered easily, and it's going to deal a lot of damage, and you need to find a way to defend this. So these are all things that has changed about the bomber and why I think bomber will be a great card after the update. So do tell me your views on this update, and tell me whether you have used the bomber until now or you still have to use it. I would recommend just go ahead and put that bomber in your deck and see how it works. I am very positive towards this card, and that's all for the video guys. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video with more breakdown of the updated cards, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.